Hello, guys. Today we are going to discuss something interesting, how to improve logical thinking. That is the topic for us. I'm not going to be bored by filling this video with bunch of logical puzzles and answers. Instead of that, I'm going to tell you a simple and super powerful steps that can actually improve your logical thinking. Just remember, this is going to be very hard method because valuable things will never comes easily. That's very simple, guys. So valuable things will never come easily. So what I'm going to try to explain, that first thing is there is no shortcuts, there is no puzzles I'm going to do here, just five simple real steps. Okay, so first we will try to do, one's first step is practice daily. I know that a lot of people don't like to hear this, but truth is daily practice is the biggest winner in logical thinking. Your habits may seem small, but their impact is huge. Logical thinking is not something you're born with or without it. It's a muscle, guys. Just like how you are learning Excel or SQL or any other technology, the more puzzles you solve, the faster and sharper your brain gets spotting the patterns. Even one puzzle in a day is enough. Consistently beats doing a great memory of logical thinking. So that is a first step. Now you may ask me that practicing daily, what to do the practice? Don't worry, I'll tell you. The next tip I am going to tell you that break it down. Break it down. What does it mean by break it down, guys? So most people fail logical problems because they just directly jump to the answer. Instead of slowing down, first restate the problem in your own words. What does it mean? So somebody asks you a question, just understand the same question in your own words. That's called restating the problem. And now you know versus need. What does it mean know versus need? So here, what I already know and what I'm actually trying to find. Once you separate those two things, eliminate the answers that are obviously wrong first. This is a step-by-step approach, guys. Okay, so this is a step-by-step approach, works for logical puzzles, and honestly it is the exactly same approach I use when I write a complex SQL queries or Excel formulas or anything. So the important thing you should understand here, that restart the problem in your own words. I'm sorry, it is restating. And one more, I already told you that know versus need. What do you already know and what do you need to solve this problem? Think in that way. And then in the next step, we will go for train with strategy. So puzzles are the only way to train these guys. Okay, I recommend playing with chess, Sudoku, or coding challenges, even debating for anything that forces you to think several steps ahead, guys. Let's take about chess. Chess is a very thinking game, guys. You should understand the game and you should think what your opponent is going to be next five steps or four steps. And same thing, Sudoku. You need to solve that challenge. That kind of things is going to helpful in logical challenges, guys. And debating sharpness and reasoning to debating is what? Something you can debate with your friends. I mean, in a subject wise. And the next one, if you closely observe, if you are already following my Excel or SQL videos, you're already training logical thinking without realizing it, because I do the same thing in my videos. And the next is very important, questions, assumptions. Don't accept the first answer, guys. It's a very big one. A big part of logical thinking is not accepting the first answer that seems right. Ask why. ask why more than once. So, if a puzzle or a real decision seems obvious, pause and ask what assumptions you are making that might actually be wrong. This habit is alone will make you a sharper at solving problem, guys. Not just in puzzles, but at work too. So if you're working, that will improve a lot. So ask why and don't accept the direct answer. Ask why, what is the logic behind the scenes, and that will improve sharper thinking, sharper decisions. And the last one I would like to go with review. Don't just answer. What does it mean? Every puzzle, when you get a puzzle right, look at the explanation. See if there was a faster way to solve it. The goal is not just getting the answer, guys. Remember that the goal is not just getting the right answer. It's building the reasoning pattern. So next time you solve it faster. Getting it? Build the pattern, not the answers. Because if you follow the answers, you may forget maybe in a couple of days or 1 week. It depends on your memory. But if you learn in the pattern, then you will remember the logics a long time. Okay, so this is a way you can improve your logical thinking, guys. Okay, I think this video is helpful for you, and practice these steps, guys. So if you remember that I have not questioned you any puzzles here. Okay, just the thing is puzzles or decisions, everything is start with the logical thinking. That is what my main motto to record this video. That's it from my end, guys. If this helped, I'm going to start a playlist called Logical Thinking with puzzles you can practice on daily. Okay, so maybe I'll give you the link in my future video so that it is going to be very helpful. Okay, thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video and start today. So wait for my more videos on logical thinking. I'm going to ask you some questions. I'm going to explain the answers in my future videos. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and please share with your friends who are looking to improve their logical thinking, or they're looking to improve their communication skills or their job skills or any of the skills I'm going to post in my channel. Thank you so much. Have a good day, guys. See you then. Bye.